Meet SHEIN Product Image Downloader, a Chrome extension built for sourcing teams, sellers, and creators who need product images fast. Open a SHEIN product page, click the extension, and the downloader reads the page for you. No screenshots. No manual right-click saving. It organizes main images, variant images, and product detail assets in one clean side panel. Preview what was found, choose the exact files you need, or download an entire group at once. Premium mode unlocks high-quality watermark-free images, variant coverage, video support, and zip downloads, so your workflow stays organized from research to listing. Install the SHEIN Product Image Downloader from Product Media Downloader, and turn Product Media Collection into a one-click step.